god, my god.
I don't think I can take this.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
I'm Lorraine.
My name is Bea.
I'm Deneb.
I'm Flo.
My name is John.
And we're BTS Armies.
Oh my god.
We're not army, but we're hungry.
So today we are trying the new BTS meal that's now available in the Philippines.
And I am so excited. Oh my god.
Siyempre.
Oh, ay hilak, ay hilak.
Oh, today.
Mukhaon na ta. Ha.
I'm so excited! Oh my god, oh my god.
Yay!
Ang papert.
Uminom na ako sa coke.
Ay, sa inom. Igawa sa na, let's relax.
Oh my god, my god.
Ano na siya?
Okay, so we have 10 pieces of nuggets here and a medium-sized fries, a Coke, and 2 kinds of sauces. It's actually something that we're familiar with. It's nuggets and fries. And what really makes it different lang gyud is the sauce. Because these sauces are Korean sauces.
Yes.
And it has Korean writing pa gyud. And we've never had these before.
May block among fries. May block among fries. Apil ni sa kwan.
Damoksuida! Yay! Okay, let's go.
Get it, let it roll. Let's try it. Let's begin. Yay! Okay, initial reactions lang sa Cajun sauce. It smells like honey mustard. It smells so spicy.
I don't think I can
spice.
take this.
Food. Parang ako food na dili halang kay boring. Wait, I'm gonna try the Cajun one first because a lot of people said it was good. So this is how it looks like.
Hindi na maguna? Or dongan ta?
Di, abli diha. Dako na ka.
What if may singot nila dire?
Bogo!
Wow, kani. So mas halang-halang. Halang-halang gamay.
Sakit siya sa ilong.
Halang-halang siya gamay.
So, ma-feel yun mo nga halang yun siya.
Hindi na ko maabli ang sweet chili.
Very pretty nugget.
It's good. It's so good.
Lance, di na ko maabli ang sweet chili.
I like it.
Oh my god.
Oily na akong kamot.
I like this. This is like a good stress food. If you're stressed, eat this.
Mother.
Bogo! Kan na. Sus. Okay, sa design na ni lisod siya ablihan.
First question.
First question.
Ay, nag-interview pa dito.
Who is your BTS bias and why?
My bias is J-Hope because he's a good dancer. He's a good rapper. He raps, but at the same time he sings. From his nickname Hope, he really gives hope. And he's a sunshine because he's always so happy. And you know, kinda makatakot yung happiness, yan yung laugh.
My bias is Kim Namjoon. Basically, I'm so in love with his mind, the way he writes, the way he's able to romanticize simple things, and it makes you really want to appreciate the things around you.
My BTS bias is Suga, also known as Min Yoongi. Sa Bon Voyage, manggod si Yoongi kay kuan kaayo like squishy kasi and cute and he's very caring and kuan mo siya. I don't know if this is the right term but kanang chunderi. Like
Chundere, wala chundin doon. Na-joke naman ako. So for me, my bias is Jungkook. He's so endearing, Judd. Like, he goes from being like, oh, I wanna like, pinch you to being like,
Pero kung bawaan nyo ako na BTS ka ng general term nga behind the scenes. Medyo na ako bawaan, BTS. Ba't kibaw sa ko na boy band nga BTS?
Ako wala.
Why do you think BTS has such a huge amount of following?
I think one of the reasons why BTS is gaining a lot of support is because we have seen their journey since day one to literally being a group that was bullied and that was poor, on the verge of bankruptcy, nga ang ilahang practice studios mapahaan, mag-fog, di sila kakita sa nakakulingon sa samin, to now owning their very own building and to becoming a publicly listed company. You can also see that they haven't changed that much, like from when they were really like poor trainees to like superstars, world superstars now and millionaires. They're still the same, like
they still have the same personality and quirks and kind of good. Like they're very endearing and real people. If you have the chance to like watch them and get to know them, makaingon jud ka na they're such nice people. They feel like old friends.
Their love for what they do, their love for music, and it shows good. Like I can feel their sincerity, their love, their genuine self. They struggled, but then they did not give up. So like that's really inspiring. And then their messages as well, sa ilang songs.
Naa sila album series na Love Yourself. I mean, daghan na kayo nag-ingon na to love ourselves. But then when they said that to me, when I looked at the situation from their lens, it made so much sense to me because they presented it in a way na mas makasabot ko and mas makasabot po ang uban people. And also, they're very good looking.
From 1D nga, di mo deny mga tsuraan yun sila. Nga, karang BTS sad, tsuraan niya. Sayaw, yeah, sana karang yang binatanaw ng mga Korean. So, bata, tao, sayaw, BTS. Yeah, I think kana good looking niya, talented niya.
Good. Nindot pa ilang mga presents ba?
Presents, yeah.
Would you recommend the BTS meal?
Ay, kung imong lawas, parehan ako, lusog-lusog. Oo.
Di kayo hilig magmakdo man pero lami siya.
Salad mong guna ko.
Yeah, try it if you want to. Like, no one's forcing you. If you want to, just try it.
Go definitely try the BTS meal. It's really good. The two sauces are worth trying. If it's not for you, then it's not for you.
Definitely.
Saranghe!
Borahe!
I love you.
Bangtan, I love you so much.